Introducing POWEREX Metro 4 T20W 40SM, the motorcycle engine oil designed to deliver smooth performance, powerful protection, and long-lasting engine health. Here's a closer look at the bottle. A durable and stylish design with clear labeling, batch details, and specifications right on the pack. The tamper-proof cap and sealed protection ensure you receive nothing but genuine POWEREX quality, trusted by bikers and mechanics across India. Take a look at the oil itself, golden, clean, and smooth. POWEREX Metro 4T uses high-grade base oils and advanced SM-grade additives for superior lubrication and performance. Let's talk about what makes POWEREX Metro 4T stand out. Enhanced engine cleanliness, thermal and oxidation stability, excellent clutch and gearbox performance, smooth riding even under high temperatures, SM-grade protection for long engine life. This oil is ideal for all four-stroke motorcycles, whether it's your daily commuter, city bike, or long-distance ride. Built for the demands of Indian roads and weather. Since 2010, Powerex Petrochem Pvt Limited has been committed to manufacturing high-performance lubricants using modern technology and stringent quality control. Power your ride with POWEREX Metro 4 T20W 40SM, available now across dealers and online. Contact us at +91 635 3365665. Visit www.powerexoil.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engine care videos.